Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to laminate our plywood pieces to create the arm of our clock. And the first thing we need to do is we need to get our 2 plywood pieces, and we need to spread a nice thin layer of PVA glue on one side of one piece so that we can later sandwich them together. PVA glue, shake it like a ketchup bottle, and you just want a nice long stream of glue that goes right down the center. And then either using a glue spreader or your finger, you just want to spread it all along the surface of the plywood. So the aim is to get a nice thin layer of glue, and you want to go all over the edges, look, all over the corners. If it goes over a little bit, that's absolutely fine. And any excess that you end up on your fingers, you can simply just wipe off onto the other piece. And then wash your hands or use some blue roll to remove it. So we've got that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sandwich those 2 pieces together just by pressing them. Glue will start to ooze out, that's fine. Again, we can just wipe away the excess. Wonderful. The PVA glue will take about 10 minutes to set, so we've got some movement, we've got some time, but we don't want to dawdle because the longer we leave it, the sooner the glue will set. So our next mission, using our vise, we are going to hold our laminate piece in place. So let me just get myself set up. There you go, that's my vise. Okay, so this is the trickiest part. The first thing we need to do is we need to open the vise up. So just by turning the handle anti-clockwise. And you need to open it up so that you can fit the entire mold inside. So just using that as a reference. And maybe make it a little bit bigger so you've got enough room to move. Perfect. This is the tricky part. You're going to bend the plywood so that it fits inside the mold. And you want to get it tucked right up into the archway, look, right into the arch. Then, whilst holding the edges, you're going to insert the middle piece. Place it into your vise. You might need a second person to help you here, and that's not a problem. Plenty of people in the room. And then you're going to close your vise so that it's nice and tight. And as you can see here, you've got some glue that's starting to ooze out. That's absolutely fine. What you can do is just use your finger or a bit of blue roll, remove the excess, and then we're going to leave it in there to dry.